Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the nozzle and quick release mechanism on the A1 Mini. This will also apply to the A1, the H2D and the H2S. They all use a similar quick release setup. So for those that aren't familiar with it, the nozzle is held in by this clasp that goes across the front. There's also a spring clip that attaches here on the side, which locks this into place, which stops the nozzle from falling out. However, after a period of use, this little piece on the side of the heater block, which is only made of aluminium or aluminum, it wears away and this spring clip falls out. Once it falls out, there's nothing to hold this in place. So the only way to fix it at present is to replace the whole heater block assembly. So I was bored over the Christmas and said I would have a go at trying to make something different and see how it would work. So I designed it up on Fusion, 3D printed a model, and it worked. It fitted anyway, but it's only made of plastic. So I got one of my friends who has a CNC mill. I think it's actually one he made himself. I'll link his channel in the comments. But he milled it out of brass for me, and it works ridiculously well. I've been trying it for the last couple of days. Okay, so to install it, it's simply a matter of just sticking it onto your Allen key, sliding your Allen key into position, and a quick twist, done. To remove it, it's the same. Allen key, one twist, slide it out, done. Not quite as quick as the quick release mechanism, but it's damn quick.